O children of Israel, O Bani Israel, remember my blessing upon you, which I bless upon you, and give you the superiority over all the worlds. So there was a time when they were given superiority because of their sacrifices, because of their sufferings. And they always go back to disobedience to Allah. When Allah saved them from Fir'aun in the Egypt, and then later when the Prophet Musa went to the mountain to worship Allah, they started to worship the cow, the male cow, the calf, cow made of gold, and they started to worship. Then Allah gave them another punishment. And they were blessed also because they were following the prophets. And they were supposed to be on the religion of Abraham, which is to worship in only one God. They changed it to the tribalism, that only the tribe of Bani Israel will go to paradise and all the people in the world will go to hellfire. For example, how many Bani Israel, how many Israelites in the world today? 8 million. And how many world population? 8 billion. 8 billion means 8,000 million. And from the 8,000 million, only 8 million people will go to paradise, and they are Jewish. That is how they are unjust. They are saying that they are the only 8 million people will go to paradise, and rest all the people will go to hellfire. So that is their super arrogance, that they are thinking that they are the exclusive for paradise. And it's not true. Whoever believes in Allah in the last day and do the good works, he's entitled to go to paradise. Then Allah said, وَاتَّقُوا يَوْمًا لَا تَجْزِي نَفْسٌ عَنْ نَفْسٍ شَيْئًا, and fear the day, on that day, then no soul can give any benefit to other soul at all. And there is no acceptance of shifa'ah, the intercession. And there is no acceptance of equal, like I can give something to get myself be safe from the punishment. No. وَلَهُمْ يُنْصَرُونَ, and they will not be helped. So now we can see again, that's mentioned about the day of judgment. And we can see today, right now, what the Bani Israel is doing. They make their own country named Israel, grabbing the land of the people, and they are doing what they are doing, which is unimaginable. I was listening a lecture in this, there was a media announcement in this morning, and I was listening, that the people there are 1 million people are starving in Palestine, and they are eating their own cells. Because there is a system when you have no food for 1 week, 2 weeks, then your organs are become your food. Your organs will convert into energy for your survival of your life. So the 1 million people, they are starving and they are self-eating now. Their body is converting into energy now. Their organs are converting into energy now. And just yesterday, they slightly opened some food, and then again they started to shoot to people who are getting the flour. So may Allah curse them, may Allah destroy them for what they are doing to people of Palestine. And we pray to Allah that Allah help to the people of Palestine.